I am Rob Alvarado with Wayzata Marine. Behind me is a 2022 Chaparral 26 Surf with the all-new Simrad surf screen and software. We got a new software program and all Simrad Command Center for this model year. These boats use Surfgate, which is a Malibu product. This is a new and improved Surfgate. And we've got this sitting on a custom-made trailer. A couple of the coolest options on this boat are going to be the Infinity swim platform. So you'll notice the size of the swim platform on this boat is huge. And inside of this swim platform is a second swim platform that's electric, and that folds down and goes out about 12 to 18 inches underwater. And then above that we've got a sun pad. So let's go check out the interior of this boat and I'll show you a bunch of cool features. My 6'2" dad bod fits nicely on the back of the swim platform of this 26 Surf. Which, there's one thing I want to mention about this style of a boat. So this is a bow rider boat that can surf. And so what's important about that feature, or having a bow rider on Lake Minnetonka, is that these boats are very deep. They have a deep V hull, so they cut through the waves nicely out here. And if anybody has been on Lake Minnetonka, it's like a bathtub. It's like a swimming pool. There's waves that come from everywhere. So if you don't have a deep V hull, it is a rough ride. So this boat surfs and it rides smoothly. Big giant swim platform with the electric Infinity swim platform that goes down. We've got a easy release sun pad back here. Don't forget, I said I was 6'2", so super comfortable sun pad. Chaparral's got new vinyl this year, which actually isn't even vinyl. It's a silicon oxide covering, which is a lot softer than it was before. It stays cooler and it's easier to clean than the other stuff too. So stop in and feel the luxury of this interior. So Chaparrals always do a side entryway that's easy to get in. It's safe for kids to get in and out of the boat. And then we settle down into the interior, and the depth of this boat is what you feel when you get inside of it. And the depth in a boat is what gives it the smooth ride. So this boat is deep. There's plenty of seating all around. We have a really great stereo in this boat. There are tower speakers. We have a subwoofer, amplifiers. And then here's the new dash system with twin Simrads that Chaparral and Simrad collaborated on to make their new surf software. And then we've got EVC2 throttle. EVC2 throttles are a lot smoother and they're much easier for maneuvering, a lot safer too. And then we've got Italian leather steering wheel, backlit switches, push button switches. We've got a head compartment on this boat. If you compare this style of a boat to a tournament surf boat, you're not going to get a head in one of those, but you'll get a head compartment in this boat. Keeps you from having to go back to the restaurant or to the marina in the middle of the afternoon. And then we've got a big, deep bow. This is again another symbol of how deep this boat is. Just the depth from the seat bottom to the top here is, it's a lot deeper than just about any other bow rider on the market. And then we've got these great safety handles. Our dock crew in the marina love these safety handles because it gives them something to hold on to when you're parking your boat. We have a insulated ice chest up here. This drains. There's a drain in the bottom of it. It's all molded fiberglass, so it's easy to clean and dry. And then we've got a ladder, a bow ladder on this boat with our anchor locker. Notice how this doesn't move when you put it up. There's a special patented hinge here. It's like a compression style hinge that if anybody's got their hands or fingers like this and you hit a big wave, other boats, this will come down on them and you'll have a little bit of an owie situation, but not with these hinges. So, Seadek flooring, all black boat, white deck, white tower, custom matched white tandem axle trailer with custom wheels on it. This boat is running a Volvo Penta engine, and you should come see it. I'm Rob with Wayzata Marine.